Hi, my name's Maya Pirschel. I'm originally from California, but I go to school at Covenant College in Georgia. I'm part of the NYCT semester program at King's. I'm a theater major at my school, and so I thought I'd take an opportunity to come and study theater a little bit in the city. So I interned for Hope Chavez, who was a previous student here at King's. She had me shadow her on a show she was working on producing. She's a freelance producer, and so it was really cool to see, and a side of theater I hadn't really got to experience yet. Having the playwright there provided an element that I was not used to, but was really interesting as well, because we would get a lot of emails of rewrites and changes, and then seeing how the directors and actors adapted to that within the rehearsal space, and how we on the more technical side had to find new things or approach a prop differently, and just being a little bit more on your toes, I think. In my time here, I saw about 16 shows, including off-Broadway, Broadway, off-Broadway, a wide range of shows, which was really fun. I think as far as calling-wise, I really felt like God used this opportunity. That was something I don't tend to push myself outside my comfort zone a lot, but I really felt like that was something that I should do now, and He really used it to show me a lot about myself and also what I want to do in the future. And when you're in a more safe, familiar environment at Christian schools, you don't always know how you're going to transition or what that'll look like. But I think ultimately being here really helped me see that I would be okay, and that just doing your work well and loving and respecting others is all you can really do and what God calls you to do. So that was a really cool experience for me to see.